Hello guys, once again, I hope you're doing alright, and let's start with the next lesson. We will continue talking about sets, other features, very important features of sets. So we will continue with the universal set. So let's see. The universal set contains all the elements, okay? For example, we can represent, if we can draw a Venn diagram like this, okay? So when drawing Venn diagrams, we use a box to represent the universal set. So for example, if we have the set A equals 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9, so these elements will be represented in set A. What happens now in set B? We have 2, 3, and 4, and 5. But look that we have 2 and 4 are also included in set A. So these elements are in common, so are represented in the intersection in this part. So we have the elements B that are not in A are 3 and 5. So they are here. So we have 3 and 5. Okay, so we can represent a box to use the box to represent the universal set. So for example, if we draw a big box, this box will be called the universal set. But what happens now? We have 2, 4. We are going to mark the elements of the universal set that are already in A and in B. So we have 2, 4, 2, 4, okay, 6, 6 will not be included here. So we already have 6 here. 2, 3, okay, so we already have 2. We already have 3. So this number is already there. 4 and 5. But 4 is already in A, okay. And 5 is already in B. 7 it's already in A, so we cross 7 and 7. 9 it's already in A here, so this is not. So what happens to 8 and 10? 8 and 10 are not elements not in A, but not in B. So we can represent 8 and 10 outside. For example, 8 here and 10, okay, that are outside the sets A and B. This is the representation of the universal set. And this set includes all these elements, okay? Okay, so let's continue now with the concept of subsets. So when we define a set, if we take pieces of that set, we can form what is a subset, okay? So we could say, for example, a subset is something that is already included in a general set. So A is a subset of B if and only if every element of A is in B. So they ask us, is A a subset of B where A equals 1, 3, and 4, and B 1, 4, 3, and 2? Is A a subset of B? So we have to look at the elements of A and check if they are included in B. So let's see, 1 is included in B, okay. 3 is included in B, and 4 is included in B. So all the elements in A are included in B. So A is a subset of B. 1 is in A, 3 is in A, 4 is in A, and also in B. So yes, A is a subset of B. How can we write this? Like this. A is a subset of B with this sentence. So what happens if, for example, A could be, for example, equals 1, 4, and 12. So the question is A a subset of B? And the answer will be no. A is not a subset of B because 12 is not included in B. So how can we write A is not a subset of B? We can write it like this. A is not a subset of B. It's like a Z, the equal sign, and a slash like this. This, okay? A C and a slash. It's not a subset of B. This line here, okay? It's the same as this. Okay, guys?